Welcome to our channel, AI Champ. This is for you if you are new to programming Python and you want to become AI engineer within 7 months. Is it possible? I think it's possible. My name is Jermaine and I'm going to be learning along with you guys, and I think we can do it within 7 months. Without further ado, let me share with you guys how we are going to break this down. We are going to break this down in modules. Module 1 is going to be about Python basics. The basics like syntax, variables, and data types. We will learn about methods, print and input, introduction to operations, statements such as if statement, else, and so forth. We see for and while loops as well. Data structures like lists, tuples, sets, and dictionaries. How to iterate over data. Again, don't panic. If you are new, like I am, I have a little bit knowledge about programming, but I believe we can learn ourselves, and along we will make it happen. How fast? Well, I don't know, because many of you guys, I suggest maybe you are new to programming and you are willing to become AI engineer within a short period of time, like 6 months, 7 months. Is it possible? Well, I believe it's possible. Then we will have hands-on, store inventory, where we show products price and quantity. We will also write a code to return numbers if they are odds or even numbers. We are going to write a code that will store customers in ascending or descending orders in alphabetical order. List practice with loops, where we'll be creating a list, like for example, create a list of 5 fruits and print each starting letter in uppercase. Last but not least, we will use dictionary lookup application. In this case, we will be using phone book. We are going to create a phone book where you tell the system to look up a name or a number in your phone book. If the number or name is found, then the app is going to return your contact. If the contact is not found, well, the app should respond that contact is not found. Now, let me see. How many modules are we going to have? We are going to have plus minus 24 modules. And if we can take on one module a week, we will be able to become AI engineers within 7 months max. Is this possible? I think it's possible. To depend on how we're gonna be progressing. Of course, we have all tools we need around us. We can use internet, ChatGPT, use Google. Like even advanced programmers, they are still using those tools as well. You have all those tools, you can use them. We'll be learning as beginners. Again, don't expect me to be an expert, but I have the basics, I know the basics that can allow me to tackle these kind of basics. As we move on, of course, we are going to learn together. Hopefully, maybe we're going to have some experts that will show up and then tell us, maybe you can do this way, you can do that way. But this is the goal. The goal is to break down those modules in weeks, and we take on each module per week, and we have hands-on, learn together, and together I believe we can do it in 7 months. If I can do it, you can do it.